Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn how to solve a polynomial equation, specifically quadratic and cubic equations with a TI-84 plus CE calculator. Alright, question number 1, x squared minus 8x plus 16. We have two different methods to solve this one. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the first method. You're gonna hit y equal, clear everything right here. Alright, you hit x squared minus 8x plus 16. Hit graph. The graph does not show up, which means you need to adjust the window range right here. Alright, so the best window range is going to be negative 20. This is 20 and the scale 1. Y mean negative 20, 20, and then 1, the scale 1. And you hit graph, it's right here. Alright, so observe that the graph touches the x-axis at 1 point. So the equation only have one solution. You're gonna hit second choice. Number 2 right here, 0. Alright, you scroll down right here. Alright, on the left of 0, you hit enter. Go to the right of 0, you hit enter. Go to the middle right here, you hit enter. The solution 0 equal 4. Alright, so s equal 4. This is the only one solution. Alright, now second method. You're gonna hit apps, go down to number 9. Hit number 1 right here, polynomial root finder. Now, since this is the quadratic equation, which means the order is 2. So you need to go to 2 right here. You hit enter. And then you hit next right here, which is graph. Alright, so you just input the coefficient. Coefficient of x squared equal 1, which is pretty good. Now, coefficient of x is going to be negative 8. So you move to negative 8. Go to the next one, hit enter, go to the next one, hit subtract, hit enter, put 8. Hit enter, go to the next one, it's going to be 16. So plus 16. And then hit enter. Now hit solve. Solve, which means graph. The first solution equals 4. The second solution equals 4. So they both the same thing. So s equals 4. Now move on to the second one. You need to hit second mode to quit this one. Before you solve the quadratic equation using a graphing calculator, you must make the right hand side equal to 0. Okay? So I'm going to subtract 6 both sides. So it turns out to be r squared minus 8r minus 22 minus 6 is going to be negative 28 equals 0. Alright? So now hit y equal x squared minus 8s minus 28. And then you hit graph. It's going to be right here. Because the graph does not show up, you need to adjust the window such that the y minimum wider. So y minimum right here, negative 20, I put negative 40. Hit graph again. It doesn't show up. Keep doing this. Negative 60, something like that. Okay, it's right here. Now, you only need to find the 0, okay? The first 0 right here, the second 0 right here. So we have 2 zeros, right? So you hit second choice, number 2. Now you need to move your cursor to the left of 0, the 0 right here. So we have the left bound right here. You hit enter. Now find the right bound right here, which means the right of 0. Hit enter. Now move your cursor to the middle, hit enter. You got the first 0 right here. It's going to be negative 2.6 something. Alright, so R1 equals negative 2.63. Alright, now let's move on to the second 0. You hit second trace again. Hit number 2. Now go to the right to find the 0. Now leave your cursor on the left of 0. So hit enter. Move your cursor to the right of 0. Hit enter. Move your cursor to the middle. Hit enter. And the second solution should be 10.63. So R2 equal 10.63. Now we use the second method to check our work to see if it's right. Now you hit apps number 9, number 1. Alright, the order is 2, that's pretty good. Okay, now you hit graph. Now input the value 1, -8 and -28. -28. Hit enter. Okay, you need to make sure you input the right values. Alright, now you hit solve, which is graph right here. Alright, so you have two solutions. S1 equal -2.63. Yes. S2 is going to be 10.63. That's pretty good. Alright, let's move on to the third one. So you hit y equals s squared plus 14s plus 96. You hit graph. The graph does not show up, so you need to adjust the window range. Y mask right here, you need to increase the Y mask, so it's gonna be like 200. You hit graph, it's right here. Alright, so observe that because the graph does not touch or intersect the x-axis, which means the equation has no solution. Alright, so this one, no solution. Alright, now we're going to use the second method to check to see if it's right. Hit apps number 9, number 1, hit graph. Now the s squared is going to be 1. Now this is 14 plus 14 plus 96. Alright, hit solve, which means graph. No real roots found. You see that? It's going to be no solution. Alright, so the first 3 questions right here is to be for Algebra 1 and SAT test. Alright, the first case, 1 solution. The second case, 2 solutions. And the third case, no solutions. Alright, now let's move on to the next one, number 4, number 5 for Algebra 2. You're going to hit y equals 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 8x plus 12. Hit graph. It's going to be right here. So you only have one real solution right here. Alright, so we hit second trace. Hit 0 right here. And then go to the left of 0. Hit enter. Go to the right of 0. Hit enter. Go to the middle. Hit enter. So the answer s equal -1.5. So this only one real solution, s equal -1.5. Alright, now we're going to check our work using the second method. So you hit apps number 9. Alright, number 1. Now in this situation, it's going to be cubic equation. So the orders must be 3. So you go to 3, you hit enter. Now we'll hit next. 2x cubed. Put 2, enter, plus 3x squared, 3s squared, hit enter, as plus a s, hit enter, plus 12, hit enter, and then hit graph. Now you only have one solution, s1 equal negative 1.5, which is right here. Alright, let's move on to the last one. Number 5. You hit y equals 2s cubed minus s squared minus s squared plus 2s minus 1. You hit graph. Right, you only have one solution right here. You hit second choice. Number 2. Go to the left of 0, hit enter. Go to the right of 0, hit enter. Go to the middle, hit enter. The only solution is going to be s equals 0.5. So s equals 0.5. So s equals 0.5. Alright, now we use the second method to check our work. Hit apps, go down to number 9. Number 1, the order is 3 because this is a cubic equation. Hit graph, input the value 2s cubed minus. Alright, so right here, enter, you change the plus sign to minus sign. Alright, next one, this is you hit 1 minus 1s squared plus 2s with 2 right here minus 1. So hit enter, hit solve, which is graph. You only have one solution, s1 equals 0.5, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.